Today we're back with doing this under sink unit in grey, new tongue and groove. So yeah, gonna open this and get all the parts out and let's get building this motherfucker. Right, now we have all the parts out, the instruction manuals, all the tools here. All the bits here, don't lose them. But they did give us some spare parts, which I haven't seen they do that before. So that's cool.
And the little slip thing.
Oh yes, and also they do a safety strap that you strap to the wall. So obviously, you know, for the little ones opening it, it doesn't fall on them, which is very good. I haven't seen that before either. Okay, so as you can see, here's the first part. It's marked number 1 somewhere. I appear to have lost it. Oh no, there it is. Number 1. And it says you want to get 4 of these. If you come closer, it's 4 of these. There's one already in. So if you want to just look down here, it's like a bit wonky. Okay, and then just want to put these into place. You're going to need like a Phillips screwdriver. It doesn't recommend that you use electric drill, only because you might drill too far and damage the wood as you're building. It only recommends you use an electric drill when you're fitting the safety strap to the wall. As you can see, there's a raw plug there. So just want to put them in. So I'm going to go ahead and forward wind this as I'm doing this, so you guys ain't waiting there forever. Okay, so the next step, so now you have the 4 in like that. You need to get the magnetic, like door close thing. I don't know what you call it. So basically, no, it's like a, so it goes on facing, so you want it facing out. So obviously when the door's closed, it connects and keeps them closed, so they don't bounce around all over the place. Hopefully I've got to change the head of the screwdriver. Okay, so now I put this to one side and we now need to get the sides. It's not a scratch. And we need to put, where are they? On the outside. So we need some more of these again. And they are going to go here, here, and here, and here. This here is one. So if you want to come in closer. Right. So these go in like so. You want to make sure that when you put it in, it's facing this way. So when these top edge of that screw goes in, it's going into that, and then what you do is you twist it that way and it locks it into place. So make sure it's in this way.
So it's like a claw round a screw.
Yeah, because they can be a bit, once they're in, as you can see, they sit in. So to get them out is a bit of a nightmare. So try and get it straight in there first time. Will save you time and stress. So now grab these. You take it out. Okay, so easy. Not awful. Just it out. That's it. Seriously. Yep. Yep. That's it. Take the sizes. So we have to do this. We'll see. Okay, so that's one side there. And repeat process again on the other side. So again, we screw that face up. Okay, that's not. Then start using 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now we have these parts, which are the shelves. So again, we're going to need these. Find where the hole goes in and pop them up straight like that. Like that. If you see there, there's a little arrow. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little triangle there. So that's the way. So they go in there, and then you twist it right, tighty, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And then the same here. It's upside down, so don't just copy it that way. Check on the interlocking screw, pop it in. So basically you want to repeat this process again here. Okay, so now you put the slot of them in, and you just want to make sure you line the holes up correctly. Don't force it in, it should just slot in with a little bit of pressure. If you want to come round, you can see that. Not much room we're working with here, but basically now that it's in, just want to twist it to the right like that. That's as simple as it is. Do the same job. I'm guessing they're just for extra support because you have these screws. I'm not sure it needs anything more. There's no glue provided, and as you can see, put a bit of pressure, little bit of pressure, and it's on. And again, get your screwdriver and you just twist them right. Keep them popped in. Okay. Like that. And again, simply just be careful when your lining is up. You want to make sure these are facing up, so when these go in, they go in nice and secure. Some people don't like to put them in yet until they're doing step by step, but I need help from my assistant. Like so. There we go. So now you want to put these backs on. I decided to use electric screwdriver because it's long to do it manually. In instructions it advises you not to use it, but it's easier as long as you're careful to have it on a low setting. Well, I've got mine on a 1. Don't have it on a high 1, so you don't want to go too deep or ruin anything. If you just put it in nice, it's basically like doing it with a screwdriver, but just saving yourself the hassle. Simple as that. That's what you want to do. And go to the fucking mongo. So now this is what it should look like with the back ends on. So now you just want to move on to doors. The hinges, they simply go where the groove is, where the bent bracket is. You simply just want to pop onto there, grab the right screws, and again make sure it's in a low setting if you're using a power drill, and then just nicely pop it in there. use the hair. Okay, so now you want to put the hinges in. You make sure the bottom one is not wrapped outside, but it's inside. So when you come time to put it in, it's there and lines up with the holes. It's a bit fiddly. If you can get someone to help you, it'd be a lot easier. So you kind of want to just add a bit of pressure with your thumb, just to hold it, because these screws are so small, you can't exactly, so you've got to chance it. It's going to pop out. Hopefully it doesn't. Get the screwdriver on it, like that, little bastard. How about that? There you go. That can go wrong, as it did before we got the first screw in. And then put it like so. So can't really see. There's bloody holes in everything.
Literally looks like it's actually good.
It was possible to. I think I found it. Bloody arsehole. I mean, look at these screws now. There's literally no room for. Right. That stays. Oh, little shit. Like that was a fluke. So basically, you get the other one. If you're lucky enough to have magnetic tips, that could be quite handy. I don't. And there you have. It's one door. And I'll do that and I'll be back in a second when it's on. Okay, so now both doors are on, as you can see. I'd advise definitely get someone to help you put doors in, because that's just a nightmare. Getting tiny screws in, they keep falling out, and oh, it's a nightmare. So yeah, if you can get help, otherwise you'll be switching, probably smash it up like I would almost would if I was on my own. So now, these are the handles, and they provide 4 of these. So it's a simple process really. Just pop them through there, like that. Pop them through there, like so. Okay, maybe not that way. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm going to do one at a time. So basically,
hold the handle while you screw.
That's okay. So you can lightly thread them in with your fingers because they're quite longer. Okay, like that. Then they're pretty much in, and then you can do it either by hand just gently, because these threads can break so easy. And there you have it. And again, just want to repeat the process. Put screw it in there, catch it on the, like so. If you want to lightly twist it in your fingers before you tighten it up. That was a good catch. Pop it through, like that. Now that's in. Grab your screwdriver or electric screwdriver, whatever you want to call it. Just gently put it in. Just see that? A couple of clicks. It's a bit loose, just a couple of clicks more. So it's solid and coming off. And there you have it. So we're now going to take it upstairs and see if it fits under the sink. Catch you in a second. Oh, see if it fits in. Oh, I don't know. Voila. There we have it. Cushy. And then obviously you want to get the security strap and strap it in. Unfortunately, in this bathroom, it doesn't sit flush to the floor. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to get an L-shaped bracket and drill it into this wood. That'll keep it from moving anywhere.
Once the rest of the bathroom.
Yeah, once the rest of the bathroom is finished. Yeah. So there we have it, guys. Bosh. Okay, so if you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more how-tos, reviews, building stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.